my dear students. In this session, I am going to discuss the playing with magnets from the 6th class. What is magnet? How can we play with it? Generally, a magnet is piece of metal made of steel or soft iron which can attract small pieces of iron, nickel, cobalt, etc. It can exhibit the properties of attraction and repulsion both. Here, see this. It is a bar magnet. What is bar magnet? It is in the shape of rectangular bar. It has length and breadth, and at two ends, two letters are indicated, N and S. N stands for North Pole, S stands for South Pole. Every bar magnet has two poles. What is mean by pole? The end of the bar magnet, here more force of attraction or repulsion will be. Let us see the definition of magnet first. A piece of steel or soft iron it can attract iron, small pieces of iron, nickel, cobalt, etc. It can exhibit the properties of attraction and repulsion. It can exhibit properties of attraction and repulsion. So this is magnet. Based on this magnetism properties, here substances are classified into two types. Substances. The first type is magnetic substances. Magnetic substances. What are magnetic substances? The substances which are attracted by the magnet are called magnetic substances. Example: iron, nickel, cobalt, etc. Next, non-magnetic substances. Example: the substances, definition, the substances which are not attracted by the magnet are called non-magnetic substances. Examples: glass, plastic, rubber, etc. Right? Here we see the activity. I have various types of substances which are magnetic, which are non-magnetic. We see with activity. So here a pen cap, piece of chalk, safety pin, paper clip, iron nail. So all are on the blank. Let us see with this magnet. I'll check which are magnetic substances, which are non-magnetic. Right? You can understand that. Let's see activity. Finding the materials which attracted by the magnet or not attracted by the magnet. See here, chalk piece, safety pin, paper clip, pen cap, rubber, eraser, iron nail. Okay, I kept like this. Here I am keeping this bar magnet nearby to the every object which are attracted by the magnet, which are stick to the magnet. We have to check. So you have idea which are attracted by the magnet. What are called? Magnetic substances. Which are not attracted or any not affected by the magnet, non-magnetic substances. See, first one, no effect of the charge on the bar magnet. So bar magnet cannot attract or cannot repel them. This is non-magnetic substance. Next, second one, pin. You see that I am taking nearby it, it attracted. You see that. Now you see that again, it is attracted by the magnet. Magnetic substance, safety pin. Next, paper clip. You see that it is attracting the safety pin also, right? Now paper clip, it is attracted by the magnet. Magnetic substance. Next, third one, pen cap. Fourth one, you see that no effect. There is no effect keeping nearby it or touch with it. Non-magnetic substance. I am keeping separately. Next, eraser. No effect. Non-magnetic substance. Iron nail. You see that it is attracted by the magnet. Magnetic substances. You see that paper clip, safety pen, iron nail, magnetic substances. Eraser, pen cap, plastic, piece of chalk, non-magnetic substances. Right? Have you understood with this activity? Yes, we discuss the day-to-day life uses of the magnets. Where we use magnets. See, uses of magnets in day-to-day life. Why should we learn this about magnet? Any use is there? Yes, at various places we use magnets. Generally in our homes, you see that in that fridge door contains magnet at its edge. That's why when you close the door, it holds that door with the help of magnet and it is closed. Next, window doors consist of magnet. Next, you take a pin holder in offices. You see that the cap of the pin holder holds all the pins to avoid falling here or there. So it will be stick to the cap of that pin holder. Next, sound speakers, that is sound boxes or any sound producing devices. Every speaker consists of a circular magnet inside. Next, we use magnets at so many places, right? Compass. What is magnetic compass needle? It is used to identify or find directions, north and south. That is used for sailors who are doing sea journeys, so they can identify in which direction they are traveling. Magnetic compass needle. I will show one activity also in this chapter based on magnetic compass needle. Right? So all these are various applications. Right? Let us we discuss the story of magnet. In 2005 years ago, a shepherd, his name was Magnus. He went to forest with sheep. So he is take caring about grazing of sheep, and he use one stick. For that stick a metal bottom, that is metal cap at its bottom of the stick. He is holding that stick and walking. Then when he keep that stick in the ground or water in the ground, it is pulling a small stones up. How that stick lift the stones? He got shocked and he amazed. Then he saw that again. It is pulling small stones with the help of metal cap on the stick, that is bottom of the stick. Then he thought, yes, this stone is attracted by that metal, and he brought that and introduced it to us. Then that stone is called, earlier it is called lodestone. Lodestone. It has some weight and it is lifted by that metal cap of that stick of the shepherd. Right? Here, this is the story behind the magnet. Right?